Yes. Question number 19 is very important. See that A equals to hello, B equals to world. Okay. Now println A dot care at 4. तो किस स्ट्रिंग से निकालना है? फ्रॉम विच स्ट्रिंग? फ्रॉम A.
String A.
So care at 4 in the A. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 means O, small o. Then A plus B. A is what? Hello. H capital only. And B is what? World. B capital. Means, sorry, W capital. So without any space, hello world. Without any space, hello world will be the second answer. Hello world will be the second answer. Okay, then length of A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Always keep remember, length will start by the 1, index will start by the 0. So length will start by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the length for this, and world is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. 5 is the length for B also, because in the B we have stored world. Yes, two uppercase. So everything will be in the uppercase. Hello, hello is the uppercase. See that it is not the wrapper class, it is the string. Hello. Then index of R in A. So 0, 1, 2, 3. No R is exist. HELLO. When given character is not exist on the given index position, so it will return -1. It is very important question. -1. When -1 will come? When the index of is not having or not finding the letter, given letter. Okay, so it is -1, right? Okay. Yes. Now S is app. It is very easy question. Apps. Then S of index of P. Yes. Which index is going to be shown? First or the second? Yes. It is 0. A. P is 1. So first index is going to be shown. So index of P is what? 1. Okay. Then print. So it will here it will print 1. Then in the next line, POS plus S. So POS is what? 1. Then S. What is S? APPS, apps. This is the value of, and in the, or without any space, because space is not given. So it will come 1, and in the next line, APPS. Stop whatever you are solving. Now pay attention here. 22nd, string as Java. It is very easy. S dot care at 3. First of all, S dot care at means in the S string at the position of the 3. So we will start 0, 1, 2, 3. So this last A will be there. Okay. So capital A is going to return. Right? Capital A. Then index of capital A. ठीक, the same type of the question we have done earlier also. Same type of the question we have done. So S dot index of, now in this S string we are going to check the index of A. So first index of A is what? This is 1. So output for this in the separate line, output first it will give you capital A, and then after that in the next line it will give you, okay, means output will be, यहाँ लिखती हूँ capital A, then in the next line 1. This is your output for this one. Not in the next line. Sorry. Only output will be the 1. Only one system.out.println is here. Okay. Now care x is 7, means value of this character variable x is 7. Now here character dot is letter 7. See, they are not giving x over here, just for making the confusion they have taken this x, but the what the variable they are passing, not the variable, directly the character constant value 7. But 7 is the letter or the digit? It is digit. So is letter is the method going to check whether the given character is letter or the digit. If it is letter, so it will check for the letter and it will return true if the given character will be letter. So it is not the letter, no. So it's going to return false. Okay, it's going to return false. Okay, now the next. My God. S1 competitive swimming. S2 is trend. So swimming, then trend. So it is what? Replace. So it can be replaced. S1 swim will be replaced by the training. So it will give you competitive. Competitive will remain same. Competitive will remain same. Okay, then at the place of the swimming it will give you train. Space is there, so with the space train, then ing will remain same, like that.
इस
Okay.
पर वो प्रिंट कैपिटल एस है.
Where system.out.println
नहीं
S1.
मिस, S1 जो S है वो कैपिटल है.
अरे नहीं, ये यार केस है, केस, ये सेंटेंस केस, that's why. But it is S1, means it is referring this one. Okay, now next, Africa versus New Zealand. Yes, South Africa versus New Zealand. So SA, last index of A. So at the last index, this one, A. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Am I right? Is it 24? Last index
मिस
9.
Yes.
9,
Yes,
9,
miss.
9, 9, 9. It is
मिस
wrong.
पर वो तो
Capital A. It is capital A.
Capital.
So 0, 1, 2, 3,
Six.
4, 5, 6.
Six.
6 is the index. So it will give you 6. Okay.
6.
Then last index of small a, it will give
24.
you 24. Okay, this one. This is the last small
Yes,
a.
miss.
Now see that it is very important, or seems like the complex. Yes, it is complex, but not this much. See that SA is what? South Africa versus New Zealand. Then index of small a. So what is the index of small a? Means first index. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here it will give you 11. Okay, and it is not dot, it is comma, 11, index of a. Again, what is this? Something is mistake. Index of small a. I think it must be capital A. Okay, so now the index of capital A is 6. 9. Okay. Okay, fine. Small a. So small a, again it will give you 11. The question is mistake, some mistake is there. Okay, we'll change it. It is capital A and small a. Then capital A will give you 6 and small a will give you 11. So it will find out the substring from 6 to 11. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means from Africa till the 11 means till the 10. तो 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 एवरी C तक आएगा. This is only. Okay, so output for this AFRIC. See that there was few mistake in the questions, but it's okay. How you will solve it, it is important. That substring you will fetch first of all index of capital A, then the index of small a, then the substring will be applied. Okay, then the SA dot substring small a, then n. So again substring from small a is what? Small a is 11 substring. Then the index of n. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16. 16, yes, 16. So it will give you 11 to 15. 11 is what? Small a. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. From A to VS till the space. Till the space. Yes.